இந்த வீடியோல மெக்கானிக்கல் இன்ஜினியரிங் 8th செமஸ்டர் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் பிளானிங் அண்ட் கண்ட்ரோல்ல இருக்க MCQ கொஸ்டின்ஸை பார்க்கலாம். First question, work study is done with the help of option A process chart, option B material handling, option C stopwatch, option D all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option C stopwatch. Next question, which of the following are principles of material handling? Option A, keep all handling to the minimum. Option B, select only efficient handling equipment. Option C, move the heaviest weight to the least distance. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D, all of the above. Next question, product layout is also known as option A, analytical layout. Option B, synthetic layout. Option C, static product layout. Option D, none of these. Correct answer என்னன்னா option B, synthetic layout. Next question, the procedure of modifying work content to give more meaning and enjoyment to the job by involving employees in planning, organization and control of their work is termed as option A, job enlargement, option B, job enrichment, option C, job rotation, option D, job evaluation. Correct answer என்னன்னா option B, job enrichment. Next question, abbreviated work factor data is applied for option A, material handling operation, option B, maintenance operation, option C, packing and shipping operation, option D, all of these. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D, all of these. Next question, an optimum product schedule implies option A, optimum utilization of men, machine and material. Option B, lowest possible cost and shortest possible time for project. Option C, timely execution of project. Option D, to produce best result under given constraint. Correct answer என்னன்னா option B, lowest possible cost and shortest possible time for project. Next question, Gantt chart gives information about option A, scheduling and routing. Option B, sales. Option C, production schedule. Option D, mission utilization. Correct answer என்னன்னா option C, production schedule. Next question, the main advantage of line organization is it? Option A, effective command and control. Option B, defined responsibilities at all level. Option C, rigid discipline in the organization. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D, all of the above. Next question, which of the following type of layout is suitable for automobile manufacturing concern? Option A, product layout. Option B, process layout. Option C, fixed position layout. Option D, combination layout. Correct answer என்னன்னா option A, product layout. Next question, pick up the correct statement from the following. Option A, critical path method is an improvement upon bar chart method. Option B, critical path method provides a realistic approach to the daily problem. Option C, critical path method avoids delay which are very common in bar chart. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D, all of the above. Next question, the most important function of inventory control is option A, stock control system. Option B, to control a store effectively. Option C, technical responsibility for a state of material. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D, all of the above. Next question, the time by which the activity completion time can be delayed without affecting the start of succeeding activities is known as option A, duration. Option B, total float. Option C, free float. Option D, interfering float. Correct answer என்னன்னா option C, free float. Next question, the standard time for a job is option A, total work content. Option B, base time plus relaxation time. Option C, total work content plus basic time. Option D, total work content plus delay contingency allowance. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D, total work content plus delay contingency allowance. Next question, time study is used to option A, determine standard cost. Option B, determine the number of machines a person may run. Option C, provide a basis for setting piece price or incentive wage. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D, all of the above. Next question, time study is option A, the appraisal in term of time of a value of work involving human effort. Option B, machine setting time. Option C, time taken by worker to do a job. Option D, method of fixing time for worker. Correct answer is option A, the appraisal in term of time of the value of work involving human effort. Next question, PERT analysis is based upon option A, optimistic time, option B, pessimistic time, option C, most likely time, option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Next question, the most important objective behind plant layout is option A, overall simplification, safety of integration, option B, economy in space, option C, maximum travel time in plant, option D, to provide conveniently located shop. Correct answer is option A, overall simplification, safety of integration. Next question, a diagram showing the path followed by men and material while performing a task is known as option A, string diagram, option B, flow process chart, option C, travel chart, option D, flow diagram. Correct answer is option D, flow diagram. PERT analysis is applied for option A, marketing program and advertising program, option B, installation of machinery, option C, research and development of product, option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Question, military type of organization is known as option A, line organization, option B, functional organization, option C, line and staff organization, option D, line, staff and functional organization. Correct answer is option A, line organization. Next question, in micro motion study, dribbling is described by option A, symbol, option B, an event, option C, an activity, option D, standard symbol and color. Correct answer is option D, standard symbol and color. Next question, in fixed position layout, option A, total production cost is less, option B, material movement is less, option C, capital investment is minimum, option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Next question, in A, B, C analysis, which class of items are generally large in number? Option A, option B, B, option C, C, option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, C. Next question, the routing function in a production system design is concerned with option A, manpower utilization, option B, quality assurance of the product, option C, machine utilization, option D, optimizing material flow through the plant. Correct answer is option C, machine utilization. Next question, a systematic job improvement sequence will consist of option A, motion study, option B, time study, option C, job enrichment, option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, the factors which are to be considered while developing a good wage incentive plan will include option A, adequate incentive, option B, ease of administration, option C, guaranteed basic pay, option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, the main disadvantage of line organization is option A, top level executive have to do excessive work, option B, structure is rigid, option C, communication delays occur, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, work sampling observation are taken on a basis of option A, detailed calculation, option B, convenience, option C, table of random number, option D, past exercise. Correct answer is option C, table of random number. Next question, in a perpetual inventory control, the material is checked when it reaches its option A, minimum value, option B, maximum value, option C, average value, option D, alarming value. Correct answer is option A, minimum value. Next question, value analysis is particularly of interest when option A, jobbing work economics are involved, option B, production is on large scale, option C, only few components are involved, option D, costly equipment is used. Correct answer is option B, production is on large scale. Next question, the time taken by a trained worker to perform an operation while working a steady pace is known as option A, standard time, option B, normal time, option C, representative time, option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, standard time. Next question, if A is the total item consumed per year, P is the procurement cost per order and C is the annual inventory carrying cost per item, then the most economic order quantity is given by option A, AP by C, option B, 2AP divided by C, option C, root of AP by C, option D, AP by C square. Correct answer is option C, root of AP by C. Next question, discrepancies of bar chart techniques are option A, consequential effect of lack in one activity on a finish date, option B, free time available for an activity can't be predicted, option C, effective monetary control can't be done, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, in jobbing production, option A, highly skilled workers are needed, option B, unit costs are high, option C, operations are labor intensive, option D, all of this. Correct answer is option D, all of this. Next question, micro motion studies. Option A, analysis of one stage of motion chart, option B, motion study when seen on time chart, option C, subdivision of an operation into their blink and their analysis, option D, enlargement view of motion study. Correct answer is option C, subdivision of an operation into their blink and their analysis. Next question, fixed position layout is also known as option A, analytical layout, option B, synthetic layout, option C, static product layout, option D, none of this. Correct answer is option C, static product layout. Next question, job enrichment technique is applied to option A, reduce labor monotony, option B, overcome boring and demotivating work, option C, make people happy, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, standard time is equal to option A, normal time minus allowance, option B, normal time plus allowance, option C, representative time multiplied by rating factor, option D, normal time taken by an operation. Correct answer is option B, normal time plus allowance. Next question, scheduling gives information about option A, when work should start and how much work should be completed during a certain period, option B, when work should complete, option C, that how idle time can be minimized, option D, proper utilization of machine. Correct answer is option A, when work should start and how much work should be completed during a certain period. Next question, bar chart is suitable for option A, large project, option B, major work, option C, minor work, option D, all of these. Correct answer is option C, minor work. Next question, scheduling. Option A, prescribes the sequence of operation to be followed, option B, determines the program for an operation, option C, is concerned with starting of process, option D, regulates the program of job through various processes. Correct answer is option B, determines the program for an operation. Next question, the process capability of a machine is defined as a capability of a machine to option A, produces a definite volume of work per minute, option B, perform definite number of operation, option C, produce job at a definite spectrum of speed, option D, hold a definite spectrum of tolerance and surface finish. Correct answer is option A, produces a definite volume of work per minute. Next question, process layout is also known as option A, analytical layout, option B, synthetic layout, option C, static product layout, option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, analytical layout. Next question, pessimistic time is option A, the maximum time which our activity might require, option B, the average time required for a job, option C, the most probable time considering all condition, option D, the minimum time in which an activity can possibly be accomplished. Correct answer is option A, the maximum time which an activity might require. Next question, critical path moves along the activities having total float of option A, positive value, option B, negative value, option C, zero value, option D, same value. Correct answer is option C, zero value. Next question, percentage idle time for men or machine is found by option A, work sampling, ஆப்ஷன் பி டைம் ஸ்டடி, ஆப்ஷன் சி மெத்தட் ஸ்டடி, ஆப்ஷன் டி ஒர்க் ஸ்டடி. கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் என்னன்னா ஆப்ஷன் ஏ ஒர்க் சாம்பிளிங். Next question, which of the following chart are used for plant layout design? Option A operation process chart, option B man mission chart, option C travel chart, option D all of this. Correct answer என்னன்னா option D all of this. Next question, in HALSA 50-50 plan, output standard are established. Option A by time study, option B from previous production record, option C from one's judgment, option D all of the above. Correct answer என்னன்னா option B from previous production record. Next question, CPM requires option A single time estimate, option B double time estimate, option C triple time estimate, option D none of this. Correct answer என்னன்னா option A single time estimate. இதோட continuation next வீடியோல பார்க்கலாம்.